But I mean, I had a theory years ago. I was approached by some of the old Chicago outfit boys when they were suddenly under federal investigation. These are the guys portrayed in the movie Casino and places like that.
Mm-hmm.
And so they were wondering, why are we suddenly under investigation? And I wasn't going to represent them, but I had a political theory that I shared with some folks at a piano bar, and happened to be the operator of the piano bar was backed by some of those boys. And so they reached out to me and said, well, you write a memo on this. We'd like to see what this is worth, if you don't mind. And I said, fine. I wasn't going to, say no.
Sure.
Memo's good. They don't have to represent anybody. It doesn't, but I laid out what I thought was going to happen and what was happening. And that, it was an extensive memo, but basically I said, you guys are likely to continue to get targeted because they want to take you out. And that means they've already got somebody to replace you. And that's why they need to take you out. And my hunch was that they had cut a deal with the Sinoloa cartel and El Chapo, and that they were going to give him Chicago. And the best way to give him Chicago was to move out the old boys, the old crew, the original Chicago outfit. And in fact, not only did I was right about all of those guys getting prosecuted, all of them did. A lot of them are really old by that point. But it did remove the last vestige of old school, or what I always say is tell people, if you don't like organized crime, how much are you going to like disorganized crime?